On page 152, example number 4. Now we have in this example where we're trying to convert 5 feet and 10 inches into meters. And they've told us they want the answer in 3 decimal places. Okay, so first of all, because this is in 2 different units, we're going to unify this. So what we're going to do is take our feet and convert that into inches and add it all together. Okay, so we know, I think most people, we know that in 1 foot there are 12 inches. So that's also given here. So 5 feet would be 5 times 12. So altogether that gives me 60 inches. And then plus the 10 inches that I already have. So we have 70 inches here. So instead of having it in 2 different units, it's better to see that we're trying to convert 70 inches into meters. Okay. Now look in your formula sheet again. We can convert inches into centimeters, but we can't really convert it into anywhere from inches to go straight into meters. So what we have to do here is use this one first, convert inches into centimeters, and then you remember that in 1 meter, there are 100 centimeters. So we will use that as well. So you can do that at the end if you want. You could do this by just moving the decimals around, or you can use a conversion rate. So first step, let's convert inches into centimeters. So I have in here 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. And that should be equal, that 70 inches is equal to how many centimeters. So you would cross multiply this. So x will come out to be equal to 70 times 2.54. Okay. So this will then give me 177.8 centimeters. Now at this time, if you want to do another proportion, you could. Or like we talked about how we move our decimal places. So if I want to go from centimeters to meters, I move my decimal back 2 places. I can do that as well. So you have lots of options. You could just move the decimal and make it 1.778 meters. Or you could have at this point done the conversion one more time, that 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So you could set it up that way and then say, okay, how much would this be then? You could have taken your original question and done the cross multiplication on it again. Okay, because we have that many centimeters, we want to make it into meters. So it would have come out to be the same answer after you cross multiply. It would have given you the exact same answer. Okay, there is a third way. If you want to do it by unit analysis, the solution book shows you how to do the unit analysis. So you're more than welcome to see it from there as well. Okay. Now, for part B, we want to go from meters into feet and inches. So again, what you want to do there is you want to make sure you would have to put everything into inches. So I want to go from meter to inches. And again, there's no such way to go into meter into inches right away. Okay. We could go into feet, but we probably won't have enough feet because you can see it will have some part inches in there. So what we will do is we will change it first into inches. So you will go 2.05. Hold on. So we will set up our equation that 1 meter is equal to, we will change it into, okay, so what I will do here is I will first change meters into centimeters. So my plan is to change meters into centimeters, and then from centimeters into inches. Okay? Or you can do the unit analysis in one go. And like I said, the book shows us how to do that. So if I do this, I have 1 meter equals 200 centimeters. We did that conversion rate earlier. And I have 2.0573 meters. And to convert it into centimeters, when we cross multiply, it will come out to be 205.73 centimeters. Now I'm going to take that and I'm going to convert the centimeters into inches. Okay, so 1 centimeter is given to me as this many inches. So you can go 1 centimeter equals to 0.3937 inches. So I have 205.73 centimeters, and I want to see how many inches I can get from there. So again, you cross multiply that. So it will give me 80.99 inches. Okay. So let's say in that one to the nearest inch would then be 81 inches. Now if you notice over here, we don't really have answered just in inches, we want in feet and inches. So what you have to do is you have to do the division. So 81 needs to be divided by 12 because in 1 foot there are 12 inches. So we want to group them into how many feet we can get out of 81. So if this was a long string of 81 inches, we want to break it down into 12 inches because that would be 1 foot. So I want to see how many feet I can get out of there completely. So I'm going to divide by 12. And when I divide that by 12, it will go into it 6 times evenly, leaving me with 9 inches. So I don't have enough to make that into a foot. So what I have here is 6 feet I can get out of them nicely, leaving behind 9 inches. Okay.